Most experts will tell you the first thing you should do is outsource your accounting. Of businesses that fail, 82% are because they can't control their cash flow. And in my experience, it's not the sales coming in, it's controlling how it's going out. In that spirit, you should outsource your accounting as soon as possible. The reality of that is, you also have bills to pay, and that can be an expense that you feel like you cannot at all conceivably do at the beginning of your business. To help support that time frame, we have launched an online community called Pulse. So what Pulse is, like I said, that barrier to help you do your own accounting, but they're up to date from the beginning. You're learning, you're figuring out this profit first and this cash flow from the beginning, even though you have to do it yourself. Your accounting is not to file your taxes. That is a requirement that we all have to do annually, but your accounting is so you know what your business is doing, what's going well, and what you need to change. And if you're only doing that in March to file your taxes, you have made 14 months of possible bad decisions. So that is where Pulse was born. Pulse is an online community. It has a monthly subscription, and it is us supporting small business owners, solopreneurs. The way it works is once a week, we have what we call office hours. 3 times a month, it's 1 hour. It starts out with a small education segment, and then it's open to your questions. Whatever your questions are, they can be small business minded, they can be accounting minded, whatever. We will try to answer those and or get you to an expert who can help you. 1 time per month, it is a 2-hour session, and during that session, it is our intent that you sit there and you update your account. We do it like the 3rd week of the month, so all your statements will be there, your bank account can be in there, everything you need to make sure that the prior months are up to date and possibly even, part of the current. Then you have your financials. Part of our education is helping you understand what's important on your financials. And so then that's the work session. This is on a platform called Zoho Community Spaces. So it is Facebook-like. So as the group grows, you do have access to that. You can ask questions, we can answer them. You can talk amongst all the members can talk amongst themselves to have questions. Being a business owner is lonely. That's my whole point. And that's what this community can support. When you just don't really have the person in your life to be able to talk to, we can support each other through here. In each of the office hours, at least one person of our team is there so that as those questions arise, you're not stopped from the end. So that is the whole point. That is our way of, like I said, supporting you in your business endeavor and those startups until you reach the point where outsourcing it to a quality person is affordable. We've been beta testing it for approximately 6 months, so we are just now opening it up to the general people. Right now the price point is $78 a month.